Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this site cannot be reached in Android. Encountering that this site cannot be reached error on your Android device can be frustrating, but there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve it. First is you need to check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. You can do it by turning off the Wi-Fi and simply using the mobile data as well, or vice versa, to see if the issue is related to your connection type. Or you could also try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Restart your Android device and try accessing to the website again. Or you could also try disabling VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy on your device, try disabling it to see if it's causing the connection problem. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.